recently upgraded your Windows 8 device to Windows 8.1 and you'd like to take a look at some of the new features? Well, some of the changes have been to the lock screen and how the lock screen integrates with some applications on the computer. This is Paul, one of the techs at Micro Center, and today we're going to look at some of the new features of the lock screen of Windows 8.1. Let's get started.
With the introduction of Windows 8.1, Microsoft has introduced a few changes to the operating system. One of the ones we're going to look at today is changes to the lock screen. From the Start screen, we want to swipe in and go to Settings, and go to Change PC Settings, and then we want to select PC and Devices. First choice is Lock Screen. So previously we could only choose from a pre-selected handful of images for the lock screen, or you could add your own. Now what you can do is you can choose a folder for the lock screen to pull images from, and it can create a slideshow of your images. From the camera roll, which would be any pictures you've taken with the camera on this device, you can tell it to fit the pictures that would best fit on your screen or not. Slideshow on or off during battery power, and then when the PC is inactive, to just show the lock screen instead of turning the screen off itself. Also on the lock screen, you can choose the apps that have an update that will be shown on the lock screen. I believe the default, which is what mine seems to do because I haven't gone in and changed anything, it'll tell me how many email messages I have waiting for me. It'll tell me if there have been Facebook updates. Looks like you can also set it for Twitter updates, incoming Skype calls, alarms, and calendar events. Or you can go down here and choose an application and show more details from that alert. The other feature is instant access to the camera. Kind of like the way it is on a smartphone. Generally on a smartphone, you just hold the button down and it goes straight to the camera application because they figure you've got your camera on the go and you might need to take a picture at a moment's notice. And those are the new features of the lock screen. If you have any other questions, come visit us at www.microcentertech.com or visit our no-wait chat service at chat.microcentertech.com.